Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to lock Instagram profile picture. To do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines icon on the upper right corner. And from here, scroll down and go to account privacy. In here in my region, the profile picture locking system is not available yet, but in some region Instagram has enabled it, so you'll find it in right here with the option right like this. You just have to turn it off and your Instagram profile picture will be locked. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.